Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am doing a glitter bead candle. And these candles came from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to make them beautiful. Okay, so that's the beads I will be using. That is my special blend of beads and glitter. And we'll be using our clear glue. I love this glue for adhering crushed glass. I like to use it for my glitter and stuff like that, and it holds so much better to me. And then you can put like a coating of your Mod Podge on it afterwards to seal it. But here we are just going to go ahead and put the glue on, and then we'll be putting on our glitter with the beads to it. Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful and I am grateful and I am blessed to be alive. This is Vlogmas Day 2. I will be doing Vlogmas during the week, and I won't be doing it on Saturday and Sunday, but I will be bringing you Vlogmas every day of the week and no weekends. Okay, so here we are. We have our glitter beads, and we're going to just go ahead and place that on there. I love this mixture. So pretty, so beautiful. I absolutely love it. These this glitter I have here, I've gotten it from Dollar Deal. And I got the beads from Dollar Deal as well. I just, it's a mixture that I put together. And yeah, so here we go. And I will be letting you enjoy this to music. Enjoy. Let me say, welcome to all my new family members. I appreciate y'all for coming. Welcome to the Queen's Court. I want to thank my faithful returning family members. Y'all know I love y'all so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for all that you do. Thank you for your patience. And I just love y'all. Thank you. And yes, so we do have 4 winners for the giveaway. Okay, so I will be contacting the winners, and I will be letting them know when they can receive their cards. All right, enjoy. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love that. This is so beautiful for your tablescapes. You can use them on your mantle. So beautiful for this time of season. I absolutely love it. It came out so great. And we're going to do a second one, of course. You know, you just can't do one candle. Candle. You gotta have two. All right. Enjoy. the reveal. Absolutely beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I'd love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you again, and thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.